Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to allow mentions from everyone on Pinterest using your PC, thanks to a recent update. This feature enhances your interactions and visibility on the platform, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your Pinterest account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to various settings that can help customize your Pinterest experience. Clicking on the gear icon will reveal a menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage all aspects of your account, including privacy and social permissions. Next, you'll want to locate the Social Permissions section within the Settings menu. Here, you can control who can interact with you on Pinterest, particularly regarding mentions. Under the Mentions category, you will find several options. To allow everyone on Pinterest to mention you, simply choose Anyone on Pinterest. This setting will enable all users to tag you in their pins, enhancing your engagement and visibility across the platform. After making this selection, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it ensures that your new settings are applied. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully allowed mentions from everyone on Pinterest. This update not only helps you connect with more users, but also increases your chances of being featured in others' content. So, take advantage of this feature and start engaging with a wider audience today. Thank you for watching and happy pinning.